Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and I am back with a really big, for me, Dollar Tree haul. So we don't need an intro, let's just get right to it. Okay, my favorite thing that I found this week, and I have found some wish list items, but this wasn't on my wish list because I didn't know they even had this till I saw, who was it? I was watching YouTube this morning. I can't remember who it was now. I watched so many. Might have been Christy, maybe. But anyway, she hauled, or somebody hauled this fabric refresher. I love my LA Awesome fabric refresher, and it's a great deal for $1, but this is an amazing deal for $1. So I got 5 of these, just stocking up in case they don't have it again. But that is a great deal. And this is all random. It's just stuff thrown in bags, so it's all mixed up, all kind of different things. I got my Ziploc bags, Dollar Tree. Usually I don't get the zipper ones, I get the slide ones because they close a lot better, but I just picked these up by accident, but I'll still use them. They're still good. I've been doing a little home painting, so I got a paint trim cup and a little paintbrush. That's a great deal for $1. And it's barbecue season, so I got a hamburger press so I can portion out those patties to the same thickness. And then the essentials home hangers. I love these plastic hangers. I have all white hangers because I'm kind of anal that way, and I had to have them all the same color. My favorite ones, you can find them at the Dollar Tree sometimes, but not the white ones, are the ones that are velvet flocked. The clothes won't fall off. Usually they just have the colors, and I don't like the colors because I did have one time some of the coloring came off on a white shirt. I didn't like that, so I usually get these plastic ones for my pants, and at Walmart I try to get the white flocked ones for my shirts. And I got a tea set. I got 2 tea sets, and if anybody knows where I can get another tea set in South Carolina somewhere, let me know, because I need one more tea set, but I'm on the look for that. And there's a few grocery things in here. I got some ranch dressing, and on low carb, this is not a bad choice. It's not the best because it does have soybean oil in it, but it only has 2 carbs a serving. So I usually take this and mix it with a little with a little apple cider vinegar and some mayonnaise, and it kind of spreads out the carbs a little bit, and it gives it a nice tangy taste. I got some LA Looks Extreme Sport Hold Gel. I use this in my hair sometimes, and sometimes I use a homemade gel made with flax seeds, which is really nasty looking, but it does really good in my hair. So, but I just picked that up just in case. And my Fabuloso, this is a repeat buy. I absolutely love this stuff. My favorite is the red one that has baking soda in it, but this one smells really good too. And they do have a purple one. It's called Multi-Purpose. I don't really care for that one that much. Okay, here's one of my wish list items. Was the Liquid Skin, the Better Bandage. I got this. Mom has a few little sores that she fidgets with and kind of knocks the skin off, so I'm going to try that on it and see if that works. And I got me a little pack of claw clips to try to get some volume in the top of my hair. And oh, here's some of my wish list items. I saw somebody a few weeks ago haul these, and I've been looking for them ever since. It's the laser engraved wood dazzlers. I got the little fox, and I got the cross with John 3:16 on it, and the Be Joyful Always Thessalonians 5:16. I got that one. And then of course I had to get myself the llama. I have a thing about llamas, but anyway. They were really cute, and I'm gonna see if I can like drill a little hole somewhere in a not so obvious place, maybe in the corner of an ear or something, so I can put it on a keychain or hang it in my car or something like that, because they're magnetic, and I don't want to just stick them on the refrigerator or file cabinet or whatever. And I got some of the pizza sauce. This is good, a semi-good deal for low carb. 1/4 of a cup serving has 4 carbs. and this is $1. And it has some really good ingredients in it. Nothing bad in here. Most of the time I buy the Rays or Rouse from Walmart, but it is $6. And it's 3 carbs for half a cup. So this is more carbs, but it is so much cheaper. And I'll just use less pieces to account for the carbs. And another painting thing, I got the little disposable tray because I don't like to clean out the paint and stuff. And this is the first time I've seen this in there. It's the Cooking Concepts napkin holder. And I've been telling y'all forever I'm redoing my kitchen. So I'm going to, in the farmhouse, I'm going to spray paint this black. And then it'll fit right in with all my wrought iron metal looking stuff. And let's see. I got some chopping mats. These are good for put under your glue gun. They're good as chopping mats. But what they're really good for is if you have a Cricut or any kind of die cutting machine, put this in it and you can make stencils with this, and they're reusable. All you gotta do is put some spray adhesive on the back, stick it down and paint, and you're good to go. So I got that, and I got this Great Scents odor neutralizer. This is really good. The one that comes in the green bottle says pet stains and odors. I don't like that one. This one is good. I like this one. So, let's see, that's all in that bag. Let me switch bags. Okay, bag number 2. I kind of went a little crazy. But actually, this is from 3 different Dollar Trees, 4 different trips. So, I kind of saved them up over the weekend. Okay, this is my chicken rooster.
A chicken.
It's a rooster. Is it a rooster or a chicken?
It's a chicken.
Okay, it's a chicken. Mom says it's a chicken. I think it's
a rooster. Is got a bigger comb on it.
Okay, farm girl, thank you. Anyway, I got this new mat. I love to keep this on my counter, and when it gets messed up, I just throw it away and get a new one.
Yeah, because it don't cost that much.
That's right. It's only $1. Mom was smacky and got some fiddle faddle and some Pop-Tarts. These are the Toast 'em. I like to get the one that has the extra 2 in it, but they didn't have it, so this is, I mean, you get 6. And they are putting out the 4th of July stuff, so I'm trying to be good and go ahead and get it when I see it. This was my favorite one they had. They have a lot of them. It says proud to be an American. No, what does it say? Proud to be an American. So
really pretty.
Yeah. And I got these Fab detergent gel pods to try. I haven't ever used gel pods, so we're gonna try those out.
Gel pods.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that you put them in your washing machine with your clothes.
Yeah.
Instead of detergent. And I got this cute little summer sign that says sweet summertime. But this is for a DIY my sister sent me a picture of, and she said it was really cute and wanted to know if I could make it, and so I'm going to try, sister dear.
Who is your sister?
Melanie.
Melanie.
Yeah. Okay, and I got me some sugar-free candy. That's the Werther's. It has 14 carbohydrates and 3, but then it has 14 sugar alcohol. No, wait a minute. Where am I reading? Oh, I got to quit eating this, y'all. I've been reading this wrong. I thought that this candy would be like 1 carb, and I read the package wrong. It's actually 7 carbs and 5 pieces of candy. So this is a no for low carb. So wow, that's what I get for reading things without my glasses on.
Yes, you do.
Well, wow, y'all. I'm sad now. Not real sad. Okay, this is a wish list item. I saw somebody hold these. I think it was Sandra's Halls. I love her. She has such good stuff. I want to go to Canada and shop at her Dollar Tree. But anyway, this is the Fresh Cut Rose Reed Diffuser. It comes with the little reeds and the rose scent. I love rose scent. So I got 3 of these, but I don't know where the other one is. It's in this bag somewhere.
I thought that was something that you could paint.
No, Mama. It's an air freshener. And I got some of the plastic tablecloths for my next tablecloth wreath, which I love those wreaths. And I got my son some teriyaki beef ramen. He loves this stuff. and he can cook that and it doesn't mess up my whole kitchen. Why is it when men cook something, they dirty up every dish you own?
Because they don't know what they're doing.
That's right. They dirty up the dishes and then they act like they don't know how to wash them. Or they wash them and they do such a bad job that you end up redoing them anyway, and the next time you just do it yourself.
You might as well do it yourself.
That's right. And I got my favorite Lime Away. This is great toilet bowl cleaner. This is a good cleaner.
That is.
Yeah. I have a PVC, not PVC, well, it's plastic coated mailbox post, and I'm going to pressure wash it, but sometimes all the little green stuff doesn't come off, so I'm just going to rub a little bit of this on there and get that off. That's what I got that for.
Yeah.
And this is the Shea Solutions Shea Butter Deep Conditioner and Co-Wash. I just got my hair cut, y'all, and I went and watched all the curly girl method videos, and you need to buy this and shampoo that, Anyway, somebody suggested some shampoo, and I'm not going to say, some Co-Wash shampoo, and I'm not going to say which one, but I bought it, and I was using it, and y'all, my scalp has never been so itchy and red. So I'm going to throw it away and go back to using this. This isn't supposed to be good for the curly girl method because it has alcohol in it. But this doesn't make my head itch, and my hair didn't. I'm just going to use this whether it's curly girl approved or what, because I do like it. And it does a good job. It cleans my hair and it conditions it, doesn't feel like it's stripped. There's my other reed diffuser. I got that. And then I got some of the Rust Lime Calcium LA Awesome's all-purpose cleaner to use on my mailbox also. Try to get it clean. And I will have a DIY of my mailbox planter that I have. I'm just going to, I've had it for years, but I did it myself. So I'm going to show you how I did it. And I'm going to replant it and show y'all. So. Okay. And got some of the lavender vanilla toilet spray, no poo. This stuff really does work good, so I have a bottle at work. You know, because with little southern ladies, we don't stinky when we go poo-poo.
Yeah.
I got another shower curtain. I like to use these as a drop cloth when I'm painting anything.
Yeah.
And I must be stuck on the bathroom because I got some continuous blue water tidy bowl to put in my toilet. I can't stand to look in it and it'd be dirty. So, and this is another wish list item. This is the photo frame with the twine string in it and the clips. I'm going to redo this to go in my kitchen. It's going to be really cute. Y'all stay tuned for that. And all these videos I'm telling y'all I'm going to make, I am going to make them. I'm trying to get on track, but I got 2 of those. I've got some things filmed that I just haven't had time to edit and get them out, but y'all start looking because there's going to be a lot of stuff coming. Some more food stuff. This is for my son. It's the 2 pizza crust. He likes the really thin ones, and then I got him the ultra thin big one. It's another thing that he can cook without dirtying up everything. But his favorite thing to cook, y'all, why? Fried chicken. Fried chicken. What a mess. Everywhere. Fried chicken.
Damn mess in the world.
Mama. A colander, a strainer. I have little tiny ones and they were just terrible, so I got a big one. And this is a hook for my coffee bar. You'll see a DIY on that, how I'm going to use that on my coffee bar. And I'm almost to the end of the bag. 2 wreath forms. And 2 barbecue dish towels.
You're gonna have to get some something to go on here.
So these are really cute. These were with the grill and the food. It says barbecue, and this says grill times and grill lines. So that was really cute. And that is it. That's the end of my bag, y'all. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned, because I promise you, as soon as this video goes up, in about an hour after it goes up, there will be not a Dollar Tree DIY. I think I've got a Goodwill flip. You remember, or you might have seen in one of my other videos where I hauled a planter box and 2 little planter buckets from Goodwill. I'm going to show you how I use those in my yard, and then there's lots more coming, so stay tuned. And I will be making the announcement of the winner of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway, because we have reached, I have reached that goal, and I'm looking forward to the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Yeah. But anyway, y'all keep watching, keep shopping. And remember, Sissy can do it. Y'all can do it too. Get out there, go shopping, make something. And if you can't make something, go look at something somebody else has made. Get some ideas. Bye, y'all.
Bye, sweetheart.
Mom, what's the matter?
I have to go home.
You are home, Mama. This is where you live. Where do you want to go?
I don't know, because I don't know where I am.
I'm your daughter, Sherry, and you live here with me and your grandson, Stephen. This is where you live.
And my mama's gone.
That's right, because you're 75 years old now. So that's right, Mom. They would be well over 100 years old. Okay? You're a grown-up lady. Okay? We weren't going to cry today, remember?
Yeah. I'll try not to.
Okay, we're not going to cry today. We're going to go plant flowers, remember?
Yes.
Okay, but we can't do it if we cry, because if you cry on the flowers, they won't grow.
Yes, they will.
No, they won't.